Welcome to Construction Chronicles. Here we are. We started our construction journey with stones already delivered. How exciting! First thing was to build a site house for storage of materials. You can get someone to live on site for security purposes. The toilet latrine is important to start with due to sanitation. Remember, you will have workers on site who will use the facility. You can start with the fence for security of your materials. Without a fence, you can lose more materials. So fence up as we did. The fence must have beams and should be reinforced with steel rods so that the fence doesn't fall. Strengthen it up. You can pick different color stones to make the fence or building beautiful and attractive, depending on where you source. Oh my, we even have a gate made for security. We also dug a soak pit. Most people prefer the biodigester. We stuck to the old ways of the soak pit, 2 large ones. We added a construction paper and steel to reinforce the pit. We built with stone and plastered. For now, we use it to trap rainwater to use it for construction when it dried up off course. Then the foundation is next. You can use Y16 to Y20 since it's a story house. Don't compromise on the steel as advised by the site engineer. There we are. We are already building the walls. We had to raise the house to level it up to avoid flooding. The walls are easier to put up than the foundation, cheaper even. We filled up the extracted soil and residue to raise the house. The land was flat, so we had to raise it, guys. See the quarry dust used to fill the house. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell. We filled the foundation floor with cement and smoothed it into a floor. It's taking shape, huh? Exciting. Other workers were tying the twisted bars for the pillars. That's the next step. Walls come up and pillars to support the walls. Beautiful. We use traditional wood to create pillar stacks to fill in the pillars. We do traditional, yes, but concrete houses. See, the pillars stand are so tall. Beautifully done. Next, the walls are built, so more construction stones. We lay 10 courses so that we have high ceilings. We later fixed the shutter so that we can fix the lintel or beam. We are almost doing the first floor, so we use traditional wood to hold the floor. There we are. A carpenter is needed to reinforce this. This is an older way of building. We have another built using modern panels. Twisted rods are used here to hold the floor. When we put the ballast, don't compromise on the twisted bars. Compromising can collapse the floor like a stack of cards.
See you next time when we tell you how we did the floor. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.